With all the uproar happening, there have been a slew of actions which have been taken. We'll take you through all the actions which the authorities have taken. Number one, Noida Authorities CEO M. Lokesh has now been removed. He's put on wait list. The Noida Authority has also, perhaps the junior engineer has also been terminated, along with the Noida CEO being removed. Now, a special intensive team, SIT team, has been formed, and the team, perhaps it needs to submit a report about the area, the lapses, within a span of 5 days. Apart from this, the builder and the real estate owner, they both have also been arrested. Hence, at this point of time, these are the actions which have been taken. Well, my colleague Tejshri is there, joining us live from the spot, Sector 115, Greater Noida. Tejshri, a short while ago, you showed us the area there, the remnants of the car, they're still not being rescued. What's the update on that? And talk to us more about the civic apathy. Imagine a 30-foot water pitfall, so deep, no warnings, no barricades there. How do you see the situation panning out moving forward, and what kind of action, more action, can we expect?
Well, see, as of now, what we can expect is that more suspensions should take place, not just that, but also those who are accountable. The accountability should be fixed. But in the parallel lines, I'll also keep on showing you the visuals, Raisha, as you were talking about what happens to the car. So the car is still missing. They are trying to locate that where the car is. They are trying to recover the car. And this also, by this also, you can just imagine that how horrific the condition must have been, and how deep is this drain, that it's been more than 3 days, 4 days actually, and now they are not able to still find the car. Now, to the irony, they have all the equipment, they have all the latest equipments, from ropes to the officials, from ropes to rescuers, and also I should say the trained rescuers who at that point of time were not present at the spot. If they would have been present over there, if the action would have been taken on time, then today Yuvraj would have been there with us. But again, these all actions, these all suspensions will be of no use, because we'll not be able to bring Yuvraj again. That is what the big question over here is, that why? Because of the negligence of the authorities, some innocent individual should lose his life. We'll also keep on showing you the visuals over here, that how this entire operation is going on, and we have been reporting over here since morning. And in fact, we'll also show you the visuals on my left hand side as well, so as to how there is no barricading. Yes, people have come over here to at least get a sense and show their protest, that why no barricading is being done over here. You can see that there was the particular spot where this entire incident took place, and still there is no action being, still there is no barricade. That point of time, no barricading was done, and that is why in fact his vehicle just completely dashed into this wall from where we are reporting right now. But these pictures are very much important, and needs to be seen that how long they will be able to continue this operation. Find what the investigation is going on. The first arrest of the builder has been made in the case. SIT has already been formed, who just visited the spot some time back. The senior authorities also did visit the spot. We did try to confront them, but again there was no answer from them. Next is what we'll FIRs have been filed. Now next remains to be seen that how many more arrests are to be made in this case, so that at least we could do justice with Yuvraj Mehta, who has lost his life.